Imagine you're working with an API and you receive a messy HTML response. The problem is when you try to clean it up in Notepad++, it doesn't look right. Frustrating, right? Well, let's tackle this problem together. In this case, the key step is to use a specific regex pattern in Notepad++ to clean up the HTML. By following the solution provided, you can efficiently remove unwanted characters and get that HTML looking clean and neat in no time. Now, focusing on the solution, it's essential to remember the specific regex pattern mentioned. \\, and \\, equals and quote wikiface. This pattern targets the problematic elements in the HTML and helps you replace them effectively. By using this pattern in Notepad++ as find and replace tool with the right settings, you can transform that messy HTML into a clean and readable format effortlessly. In summary, tackling HTML formatting issues in Notepad++ doesn't have to be a headache. By understanding and applying the provided solution, you can easily clean up your HTML code and make it look as intended. Give it a try and say goodbye to messy HTML formatting in Notepad++. Remember, it's all about finding the right tools and techniques to make your coding experience smoother. Happy coding, and may your HTML always be clean and organized.